In the peaceful gardens of a monastery, the disciples gathered one evening, their hearts filled with curiosity and doubt. Since they had to preach countless number of people, they would often get into never-ending debates. Seated under the gentle glow of moonlight, they voiced their question to the head monk. Why do the learned and the recluses engage in endless debates about the eternal nature of the world? The head monk, his countenance serene and compassionate, smiled gently. He began to weave a story preached by Buddha, a parable that would unveil the essence of their query. Picture this, my dear disciples, he began. A realm where a group of blind men stood in the presence of an elephant. None had ever beheld this magnificent creature, yet each wanted to understand it fully. With curious hands, they reached out, each touching a distinct part of the elephant. One felt the elephant's grand head, robust and commanding. Another, his hand resting on the elephant's ear, sensed its delicate grace. Yet another explored the sharp tusk, while others discovered the sturdy legs, the swaying tail, and the massive body. Each blind man, engrossed in his own tactile encounter, formed an impression of the elephant's nature. And so, the head monk continued, when they were asked to describe the elephant, they shared their individual experiences. The one who touched the head spoke of the elephant as a mighty being, while the one with the tusk described it as sharp and imposing. Disagreements arose as their descriptions differed, and they found themselves in fervent debates. Dear disciples, just as these blind men, scholars and preachers too, often grasp only a part of reality, they perceive but a fragment of the vast truth that envelops existence. Their debates stem from their limited understanding, as each tries to uphold their own perception as the ultimate truth. The moon's soft radiance seemed to hold the wisdom of these words as he concluded, embracing humility and recognizing the limitations of our knowledge is the path to true wisdom. The unity of understanding arises not from insisting on one's perspective, but from appreciating the diverse insights that contribute to a more complete picture. The students embraced the Buddha's story, their hearts illuminated by the story's profound moral. Unity in diversity and humility in understanding are the gateways to the vast, interconnected truths of the world. Thanks for spending your valuable time with us. If we did inspire you with this short story, please subscribe and show your support.